What's going on, goons and mutants? Top of the morning to you. We got that magnetone. I just got the green light on a filter cap change. Super excited about that. We're gonna have that Fender custom twin rolling out Monday or Tuesday. The 261 blonde Fenders, the Baseman and the Showman, are going away on Monday. I've got an Ampeg bass amp that I'm still fighting a good fight with, and I have an old Music Man, it's a RD115 that has so many issues. It's not functional at all. Missing a lot of different cables. It's got an unstable power supply. It's just a beast. I'm still recouping from this eye surgery, this guy right here. So I'm a little limited on what I can haul up the stairs right now. But I'll be keeping busy. And on Monday we'll have some more videos rolling in. I hope you guys are doing exceedingly well today. And that you're taking some time to hang with your families and your friends, and you're, taking some time for yourself too. So, hope all's well out there, guys. Bye.